আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্তা সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকে এপিসোড নাম্বার 164 এবং সকলকে যেহেতু পুজোর পর এটা আমার আজকের ফার্স্ট এপিসোড সকলকে আমি বিজয়ার প্রণাম জানাই যারা বড়রা এবং যারা ছোটরা আমার প্রচুর আদর আশা করি সবাই ভালো কেটেছে পুজো ভালো কাটিয়েছেন বাড়ির লোকেদের সাথে ক্লোজ লোকেদের সাথে সুতরাং আবার আজকে শুরু করছি আজকে থেকে আবার এপিসোড আমাদের সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা নতুন যা সম্বার হয়ে এসছে এবং আজকের এপিসোড কিন্তু আপনাদের খুব এতদিন ধরে আপনারা ওয়েট করেছেন কোটা ডোরিয়ার ওপর স্যুটস অ্যান্ড শাড়িজ প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 চন্দেরি zari border with Rajasthani vegetable dye printing in organic colors. These are extremely fashionable. Love the colors and the combinations that's being used in this and also the comfort level. It's a very good quality Chanderi zari woven border 3250 with all organic colors vegetable block print. It's a very famous printing from Rajasthan and we love the lovely prints and the overall get up of this sari is so pretty and this is the blouse piece with this. You do need a lining and normal you have to sometimes polish and dry clean. Beautiful bold wine color, dark maroon with red color combination. It gives a batik effect and this is the pallu part. It has a beautiful narrow zari border. So in this fabric, similar type of print, I'll show you some lovely colors. More or less the colors though would be same, the prints would differ. This is a dark navy and a maroon color combination. Just see the border and the pallu. It's 3250 for this too. All these Chanderi vegetable print Rajasthani block prints are 3250. Very, sometimes even for these are so comfortable that the whole day even if you wear them you will not feel any, and it doesn't have creases also. It's such a beautiful fabric and this is the blouse piece for this. Very bold, bright and very photo friendly. You get lovely photographs in this and now everything needs to be Instagrammable. This is the lovely print. Pallu. I'm sure you've worn our sarees during the festive season and it's still Diwali. There are so many occasions lined up now. So please do share your pictures. I'll upload them in Sanskriti Srimoti album in the Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata. I'm sure you would love to see and I feel really great pleasure in seeing your pictures. You've been making Sanskriti a part of your celebration. That's really so wonderful. I'm really honored for that. 3250 for this gorgeous red and orange color combination block printed vegetable dye Chanderi with here is the blouse piece. These printing process are really so beautiful to see the process and these are since these are block printing and not screen print or computer printing so these have a beautiful uneven effect so that's where the beauty of these print lies. Another very gorgeous color combination. It's earthy color but looks extremely classy on wearing. It's a grey and a maroon color. It's a very typical combination of Rajasthani Bagru prints and all, but still it looks extremely elegant, especially because of this light grey color with a darker wine color, maroon color block print. And see the narrow sleek border 3250 for this. This is the zari woven border in the chanderi, paisley block. And here is the blouse piece for this, block printed blouse piece. Just check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where the still photos of these will be uploaded. There are albums there where you can see Tassar Banarasi album, Kora album. There are all given it in given album names are given so that it will be easy for you to browse. Here is another very pretty print, dark wine and maroon reddish color, 3250. The body is more or less floral, hence the pallu and the blouse is geometric. So there comes, the relation. I usually combine floral with geometric, not always floral, but throughout floral. Of course, then the print changes, but in this concept, I usually mix and match floral with geometric. So then what happens, the pallu and the blouse gives a nice contrast with this floral blocks. Navy and red. More or less similar prints, but of course there is a difference. Bright bold blocks in zari border, geometric pallu. Blouse piece for this. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like our products so that you can get regular notifications. Even follow our Instagram page Laliyat Sanskriti. There is the Facebook page which you can like, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. Like I said, these will be uploaded. Now we are closed again on Sundays. Rest of the days, Monday to Saturday, we will be open every day, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 at night. 3500. Now this is a Chanderi woven Banarasi. See the antique zari border. And this effect, it's a lovely geometric, it's a different, another kind of a block with little of spray block also. See, there's a spray effect, spray printing. So it's again a different concept of printing. This particular printing is done in Bombay, in my workshop in Mumbai. This is the blouse piece. The other particular printing was done in Rajasthan. So a lot of states are involved. Sari is from Varanasi, the poth, the raw fabric, 3500 with blouse piece, rust blouse piece with the zari border. Very smart printing. I'll show you the colors in this, 3500. Again, so soft. Now recently I've, for myself, I've taken so many, I've done episodes also in Chanderi. Like, I'm loving the fabric. It's so lightweight and so comfortable, but at the same time it's pocket friendly and gives a very, very pretty look on wearing. This is the teal color blouse piece for this. Teal blue blouse piece, and here is the sari. Even though we were open till Shoshti's, the first day, a day before the pujas, Saptami we start officially, I mean the Durga Puja, we get our store closes. But then the courier service had stopped the shipment a few days ago because Calcutta is totally, all of you know how busy the city becomes, the whole state of West Bengal for the pujas. So they had stopped the shipment few days ago. So there were some pending shipments which we have dispatched already once we've opened. 3500. This is also another very soothing color combination. Those who still have pending gifts to deliver, for them this is a very nice sari for mothers and all, even for Bhai Dooj. You can gift your sisters, very pretty sari. Even for Diwali, for Kali Puja also, those who have puja at home, this color combination is so pretty at the same time. Very bright, soft, lightweight. 3500 for this. Deep red color printing. Maroonish, you can say. And I'm loving the border. I mean, the border is so intricate. The Nakshi woven border. This is the pallu. The pallu has zari weave, solid zari weave. Even I'm wearing a similar sari in Chanderi. I just simply love these fabrics. Extremely comfortable when you're, I'm there in the showroom the whole day. So very, very comfortable to, carry to wear the whole day. 3500, lightweight, soft, very easy to maintain, and very main thing is the look, overall look is very grand. This is the blouse piece for this. Pretty, isn't it? See the print. Traditional print, very traditional, I've maintained because of the traditional border. Now I have another very nice print in this too. This color combination, it's in, you can say, a snuff color, a mehendi green color. $3500 for this too. See the printing in this, very sober, different print, very sober floral. Again the pallu part is in woven antique zari, which is going very well with the color. New collection is coming every day after the puja now. This is the blouse piece for this. So those episodes will be I will be uploading. So please do keep a track. And for booking, all you have to do, as you all know, just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. 7603042696. Most of the time I handle that phone, and the other number is also there where you can call in case of emergency. Please wait for your answer. I'll definitely reply all your messages. Sometimes my staffs also do the needful, and then the packing and shipping will be done within 2 working days. Now coming to absolutely lovely vegetable dye Kota Dorias. Oh, this fabric is an all-time favorite of all women. Now, because it was so much in demand, this time I've done some suit pieces also. Hope you like them. So this is in a black and blue color combination, grey blue color combination. Absolutely pure vegetable dye block print, pure cotton Kota Doria, again featherweight saris, Rajasthani traditional, very traditional block print with the blouse piece comes in cotton chanderi, vegetable dye blouse piece. So definitely make the blouse with this, because it's very difficult to match these colors. These are all organic colors, so best to wear this printed cotton blouse piece. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Both have little different collection. This is another color. See, this is a lovely mud color. Again, these are all organic vegetable prints. This beautiful state of Rajasthan, colorful, full of culture, fabric, printing, art, handicrafts. It's an amazing, somehow, the jewelries, everything, everything is so colorful, vibrant and lovely. This is the blouse piece. These are their products. See the lovely leaf block. These are not loud, bright colors, and I'll know. Vegetable dyes are, the dyes are not synthetic. These are extracted from the vegetable, the colors are, like brinjal gives a purplish color. So that's how the vegetable dyes, we say vegetable colors, organic colors, all natural colors. Pallu, and this is the body. Bead gives a wine color extract dye. So on those dyes are colors are then processed and used in these printing. This is the blouse piece. All the prints are very pretty. See, these are very smart prints. This is the pallu. All Kota Doria, but these are 3600 because of the printing and the dyes colors that has been used. We have the lower range also, which is also pure Kota Doria. Isn't it pretty? See this color combination. The print, actually the color are, these are with dark charcoal black, 3600. Wear your silver, gold, anything, your fashionable statement jewelries. These are really pretty. This is the blouse piece. These are more, what I always say, these are very classy concepts. These are and the printing are very thoughtfully done. Again, another color combination in deep coffee and rust, leaf print all over with this geometric pallu, 3600 again, very rich color combination, coffee and rust, with again contrast rust blouse piece. These are all single pieces, but we have stock now. There are more stock in the showroom, so please visit. At present there is stock, so if you want, please, if you are here in Kolkata, do visit. We have the tailoring unit. If you want the blouses to be stitched, we will do it cash on delivery only in Kolkata. Once you make the payment, first come first serve basis, then I'll provide you the number of the tailoring department. You can contact them and discuss with about the design or the blouse that has to be done. We'll do it and then we'll courier it to you if needed. This is another color combination. Totally different print. Achol. And this is the blouse piece. These are vegetable dyes, so don't expect them to be perfectly even printing. These are all hand blocks, and these imperfection gives it the best perfect look. Now coming to the Kota Doria saris. I myself have the maroon in this. It's a lovely, gorgeous print and very reasonably priced. See the colors, absolutely lightweight. 2990, orange and red. Lovely color. We were closed 4 days, and then there was a Sunday, so there was a little delay in replying, and I had to attend a lot of family gatherings around, like we wait the whole year. Last year as I said, we could not in Kolkata celebrate much, so this year keeping the norms, protocols, and then so there was delay in replying the messages, those who still inquired during the pujas. So I really apologize. All your queries will be answered. This is the print. Dark wine color. Very glamorous, yet traditional. Wine and red, 2990 only. Pure Kota Doria vegetable dye block printing with contrast block printed blouse piece. Very pretty color combination. Now here is another in navy. Just check out the prints. Take the screenshot where the number is mentioned. That is very important. Screenshot is must. 2990, and WhatsApp, no phone calls. WhatsApp booking is only accepted. And after you make the payment, kindly give your full name, address, zip code, country and telephone number. Sometimes what happens, you are gifting to somebody, but then since I don't have his or her number, so what happens, I use your number, which maybe is an international number, the courier will not call. This is the blouse piece. Another print, very cute print, number 21. These are all 2,990 rupees. This is the blouse piece. Pallu. (22), the same print in navy. Pretty, isn't it? I'm just loving showing them. I waited for a long time to have the whole stock because of the rains. These printing were delayed. This is the blouse piece for this. (23). (2990). Usually what happens, these colors, you may see that these are all the same colors. Yes, but the printing is different, but these colors are the ones which really stand out in these kotas. Pallu. The last one, again in navy red. And here is the blouse piece for this. Now the one that I am wearing, this is again a lovely Chanderi Banarasi with antique zari woven buta border pallu. Kalamkari printing. So lot of thing in one sari. Now let me explain again. Whole sari is a woven Chanderi, zari woven, antique, absolutely matte antique zari. So this is the butas, peacock weave in the buta. Now coming to printing in Kalamkari. Pallu zari woven with Kalamkari print, 4,500. Product number 25, dark slate color. Again lightweight but at the same time rich because of the Kalamkari print and the buta. And here comes the Kalamkari printed, yes, the blouse piece. Now the blouse piece also has Kalamkari printing along with antique zari booty all over. Can you see the weave? You can see it from the back. See the weave? It's totally woven. Once you wear it, I don't know how clear it is in the video, but see, it's a zari woven. It's a rich zari woven blouse in Kalamkari print, and here is the sari. A very elegant traditional look sari in earthy tone, dark slate color. The one that I am wearing is in dark moss green. And yes, this will too have this printed blouse. and since I'm wearing a close neck blouse, I'm wearing a little more bangles. Pair is 2200. Multicolored stone embedded pair of bangles, 2200 for the pair, 2200 for the pair, and the sari is 4500. Another pretty color, snuff color. So 3 colors in this Chanderi Kalamkari. Snuff and black. 4500. See the print here. Very soft, comfortable, lightweight, but with rich look. Here is the blouse piece for this. Now I will show you some very fashionable Kota Doria suit pieces. So this is the kurta in Kota. We have full fabric. The bottom is cotton, vegetable printed cotton bottom. This is the Kota dupatta. You know, you can wear this with denim and t-shirt also. It looks very nice, but of course the whole look of this is extremely elegant and fashionable. So I'll show you some lovely colors and prints in this. Number 27, and yes, the price is 3250, 3250 for the 3-piece unstitched set. So this is one print in navy. Here comes another print. This is the bottom. This is cotton. You don't need a lining in this. Pure cotton vegetable dye, absolutely home wash. So this is the bottom part. You can make a plazo or a straight pant or a churidar. This is the Kota printed kurta, and here comes the dupatta. But I would love to show you the open dupatta so that you can understand the print. So the dupatta is, I'll open and show you. Okay, just hold this. Here is the Here is the dupatta for this print. Here. You need lining for the kurta but not for the bottom. 27. Now this is 28. This is the kurta. This is the bottom. And this is the dupatta. These look so pretty on wearing because these are, those who doesn't wear saris all the time, for them you can just try these suit pieces. See the dupatta, zari border dupatta. This is the bottom, this is the kurta. I hope it's clear. Maroon. Basically the colors are same as in sari. This is the dupatta, this is the bottom, and this is the dupatta kurta bottom. The bottom, the kurta, the dupatta. Another lovely print, orange and red. Kurta, bottom, dupatta. Full length dupatta. Grey, kurta, bottom, dupatta. Isn't it smart? Kurta, bottom, dupatta. Kota Doria kurta, Kota Doria dupatta and a cotton block printed bottom. 33. Dupatta, kurta. Those who've received our previous suit sets are very, very happy. So you can try this also. Very smart concept in kotas. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Namaskar, bhalo thakben.